Some of the signs that you could be heading into a high conflict divorce are highly contested custody issues where you have two good parents and they both want to be the primary conservators for the children. In that case, it's a really hard thing to determine which parent should be the primary conservator, and normally the courts decide what's in the best interest of the children. Another thing that we see that is highly contested is separate versus community property issues, where one spouse may have owned separate property before divorce. It may have been commingled with the community property. What that means is you have an account where you had money in, or you had a property before the marriage. You sold that property, you bought another property, and you continue to put your earnings into that. That complicates a divorce. It's contested because a lot of times the parties have a hard time deciding what is community property and what is separate property. And that's something that the attorneys can trace and they can account for at the end of the day. Another sign of a high conflict divorce is when a spouse is very difficult. They don't agree on anything. They don't listen to their attorneys, and they don't care what's in the best interest of their children or their spouse. These are usually the top things that I can identify that cause high conflict divorces.